200 watts ceiling solar light with 3 different colors with brightness and dim function. Same function with my 150 watts that dining and kitchen here. My kids just installed the solar panel right behind the glass window, both the kitchen and dining, and the price is 1,200 plus from Lazada also. And I have solar desk fan and 2 pieces of solar stand fan, and here is my 5 kilowatt day hybrid inverter. And outside I also have 60 watts here, the gates, and here at the pump I also have 60 watts. And here's the unboxing, guys. I highly recommended to buy this instead of buying AC 220 volts lights at your home, to try to cut the high cost of electricity bill in the Philippines. Instead of installing 1 kilowatt off-grid solar setup, go for solar lights, solar fans, and at the end of the month your electricity bill will not be the same as what you're currently paying. So here's the installation, guys. Just install it on the ceiling and the solar panel should be installed on top. The solar panel of the ceiling light at the kitchen and at my dining room is they just installed right behind the glass windows, but the living room, here is it, and it's charging together with the 2 solar panel at outside is installed here. Thanks for watching.